Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Slow RT here. Today's video, we got something special going on. I am getting long tube headers installed on my Scatpack. So my friend had them on his Hellcat, and he's basically putting it back to stock because he wants to trade it in for something better. And so he asked me if I want to buy them, and I was like, hell yeah. So he gave me a good ass deal on the headers, and he's gonna install them all in one day. So I was like, I couldn't pass up on the deal. Like, I wasn't planning on getting headers right now, but I was like, fuck it. If he's gonna give me a good ass deal and he's gonna install them for me, might as well do it. So I'll be on my way over to his shop in Concord. So hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you over there. Alright guys, so my buddy's pulling it into the shop. Last time it'll sound like that, muffler delete. So I'm also getting my headers wrapped. You can pick this up at your local O'Reilly's. It's kind of pricey though, $60, and I bought three rolls of these for the headers. So it's gonna make it cool, and I don't want it burning my ass through the car. How's the wrapping going?
Good.
Is it your favorite thing to do? No. Going catless. Look at those small ass fucking headers. That way. Let me get out of here before I die. Whew. My boy Louis finished the headers. What's easier, taking them on or installing the new ones?
Installing the new ones. The new ones have more space on them.
Oh shit. So taking them off is gonna be a bitch, huh? Lightweight. Oh, the way the wrap shines. That's just nice. Well, headers, stock headers are off. Sheesh. She looks nice. Woo. It's getting closer. Guys, I'm so excited to have a check engine light. Yay.
You got it? Can you help? Fucking you, dude.
Stock header. Stock header. Woo. God, these things are heavy. Damn. Oh, fuck. Either they're heavy or I'm just weak. Ooh, bro, you did a good ass job. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! There. Wait. All right, go. Fuck you. My neighbors are gonna hate me. God damn. Whew. Almost as if it had a cam. Chop. God damn. I bought breakfast too. Yeah. Now I know for next time. Rev it a few more times. God damn. Thanks, compa. Whew. Alright guys, I'm inside my car. And I know you can't feel it, but the whole fucking floor is vibrating. That's crazy. Fuck. Let's see how it is pressing on the gas and shit. Woo, I can't fucking wait. My engine better not blow up because it has no tune. Wish me luck. Let's do it. Alright, busting a bitch. Fucking smells. Holy fuck. Sheesh. guys, it's the next day. You heard the first cold start of the day, and man, this thing is so freaking loud. I freaking love it. It actually sounds like a muscle car. This is how a muscle car is supposed to sound, and whew, man, I'm enjoying this. Only drawback is that my remote start is disabled since it has a check engine light, and the only way to get rid of the check engine light is to get my car tuned, and don't know when that's gonna happen, so I'm gonna be running my car with the check engine light for a while. I do want to tune it, but I don't know when. So I hope you guys like my long tube headers install video. It wasn't cheap, but I got a good deal from my friend who sold them to me, and I freaking love it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you.